Hi guys, I'm so sorry about the lighting. I'm filming at night because I go back to work tomorrow, so hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Hi, I'm Aicahr if you're new. Today we'll be doing a video about tips on going back to the gym. I know it's a little bit hard to get back on that routine since we had such a long time of just being at home and making up a new routine. Today I'll be talking about my journey going back to the gym. It's actually been about a week since I've been back, which it feels so good to be back at the gym. You know, your girl is definitely a little cautious going back to the gym. I'm still wearing my little mask. I'm still carrying around hand sanitizer. I'm always washing my hands. I'm always cleaning the equipment, which I think everyone should practice doing. It's just common courtesy. You know, this may have to be a different video, but I just want to start off by saying that I was not always built like this. Yes, some of it does have to do with genetics, but not all of it. I've been going to the gym since about 2014. I mean, before that I did too, but not as consistent as I do over the course of the 6 years. Honestly, I was always very skinny in high school, so every pound that I gained honestly is an achievement. But what I'm trying to say here is that we all have different starting points and we're all starting from somewhere. I know that quarantine has been so rough on us, and it's important for us to just keep staying positive. We'll get back to where we were, or, you know, be even better than what we were. If you guys want me to make a separate video talking about my fitness journey, I can always do that. Just let me know in the comments below. It definitely feels good to be back. I know that some of us were a little set back. I know that me in particular, I've lost about 10 pounds being in quarantine, which is probably a lot of muscle. Honestly, we'll get back to it. Don't feel too bad. And here are some tips on getting back to the gym and starting over. Tip number 1. Remember, everyone is taking a step back, like what I just said. Everyone is kind of starting over and getting the feel for what they feel comfortable with right now. Remember to love yourself, because, I mean, I know it's hard, but almost everyone is starting over, or if not, they're starting at a different point than what they were at. Tip number 2, set a time. I've been going in the morning and it feels great to be going in the morning to get the workout done, go home, take a shower, go to sleep if you want to. Again, you know, the morning is just amazing, and that's a lot coming from me because I was always working graveyard and always like staying up late. But now that I work up in the morning, it feels amazing just to even just get the workout done. Tip number 3. This is a tip that is pretty much you should use all the time, but it's stay consistent. If you stay consistent, it forms a habit, and the habit turns into a routine. I mean, that's what's kept me going throughout all these years, is just setting that habit. And to me, it's just second nature to want to go to the gym. If I don't go to the gym, it makes me feel incomplete. It makes me feel different. Tip number 4, it's slow and steady wins the race. I mean, that sounds so cliche, but just increase the weight as you go. Don't just jump into what you were doing, because honestly, you probably can't do what you were doing before quarantine unless you had the weights at home and you were lifting that heavy before. But it's okay to go slow, because slow and steady wins the race. Tip number 5, always think of your end goal. No matter how little your progress is, it's all about how you feel in the end. Honestly, I know this is weird and it's hard, and some of you don't even have the gym back open, but we're all gonna get through this. It's a work in progress, and it's okay to start over. It's okay to form a new habit. It's okay to have a new routine. And you know, I think this is what we all needed as far as a reset in life. You'll just conform to what's happening now. Stay consistent, achieve your goals. You can do this. Hi guys. Okay, or not. Hello, welcome back to my every pound. Why does my almost everyone I don't know, it sounds so weird that once it becomes a habit, it becomes a routine. Tip number tip number the disrespect. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.
I've been on my way up, now it's really far down. I don't think I'll feel it when I hit the ground.